I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 10 from Introduction to Trigonometry. Find angle x in the given figure. So that is the angle x which you need to find. You can pause the video and answer the question. My strategy will be first to find this length, right? So let me say this length is y for me. So using the given triangle here at the base, we can find y. Once we know y, we can find x, right? So let's begin by finding the side length y first in this case. Now, in the given triangle, let me just label it. Be easier for us to communicate, right? Let me say this is ABCD. So we are trying to find length AC. We are given 38.7 degrees as angle CAB. Now we know the hypotenuse since it is opposite the 90 degrees and the adjacent side. So we should use cosine, right? So we have cos of 38.7 degrees equals to adjacent side 4.6 divided by y. So we can solve for y, which is equals to 4.6 divided by cos of 38.7, right? Which is 4.6 divided by cos of 38.7, 5.894. So let me write this as 5.894. Okay, 4.1, no problems. When we are actually looking for accurate answer, we should use 4 decimal places, right? So let's write y as 4.8941. Now if you look into the triangle ADC, in this triangle we need to find angle x. It's a right triangle again. Hypotenuse is given to us as 7.3 and the side opposite is given to us as y. So therefore we should use sine, correct? So sine of y, sine of x is equals to opposite side y over the hypotenuse 7.3, right? Y we just calculated, 5.8941 divided by 7.3. Now we can say what is angle x? X is sine inverse of this value, right? 5.8941 divided by 7.3. Let's use the calculator. So we have already 5.8941 in the calculator. Let's divide by 7.3. We get some answer, and we'll do shift sine inverse of the answer, right, to get the answer, which is 53.84. So we get angle as 53.84. It's good to round it to 1 decimal place since 38.7 is rounded to 1 decimal place. So that gives us 53.8 degrees as angle x, correct? So that is our answer, 8 degrees. So I hope you understand and appreciate how we can solve this question. Now just to summarize, what we used was SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. In the first triangle, we are given this side, which is adjacent side, correct, and the hypotenuse. So if adjacent and hypotenuse is given to us, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, you have to use cos, and that's why we used cos. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, 4.6 over hypotenuse. Now in the second triangle, we were given the opposite side, right? So we were given the opposite side and the hypotenuse, so we used sine. I hope that helps you to link whatever we have learned so far. Thank you and all the best.